Hello and welcome to the magical Union Chapel, where we are celebrating 5 brilliant years of musical happenings. Welcome to Little Noise 2010.
I'm going down to the church house. Get down on my bended knee.
Tom Jones, what can I say? The legend, as he is, absolutely brilliant.
Deacon Jones.
I can't believe he's got so much energy, and because he is an older man and he's really sexy as well. I can't believe I'm saying that. Hello.
No burning hell. No!
It's a great venue. It's right. You know, everything seems to be right about it. And of course, it's a chapel, which is great because Praise and Blame, my album, is basically a gospel album.
Tonight we're doing quite a different show to how we normally perform. It's acoustic, we have a cellist, and yeah, we're singing and not shouting really loudly.
Never heard of acoustic before, so to hear them do that was quite special.
Thank you.